Here we have a 1953 Hudson Superjet four-door sedan. Now I videoed this car some time ago, quite a while ago, but it wasn't in this state of repair, it seems to me. This has been really a resto mod, and it has air suspension, as you can see, two-tone green, and it was made for 2 years, 53 and 54. And the cost of these cars at the time was around $2,000, which doesn't sound like a lot now, but back in the day that was a fair amount for a compact car. Hudson decided to get into this business of small cars, but didn't work out very well. But what you can see here is an extensive custom work. There's speakers and the controls for the air suspension. There's a V8 under the hood, automatic. Certainly a new steering wheel. But lots of chrome there on the dash, and the same color as the car. Really did a very nice job on this car. Normally I don't video a lot of resto mods, but this one, being an orphan car, it certainly got my attention. Back here is a machine gun, I think, replica thereof, I assume. You got me. I don't know the significance of it, but this must have quite an audio system. The car was designed evidently by one of the bigger dealers of Hudson, and without an awful lot of design experience, so its styling never really caught on. It's strange that Hudson, which was such a big name and so innovative, wound up with a car with rather staid, old-time styling. No wonder it didn't sell. Number one, because of the price, and number two, because the styling certainly wasn't exciting. But now it has a new life of its own. It's really beautifully done.